Now see, so this is another problem. See, construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to 4.8 centimeters, BC equal to 5.4 centimeters and angle B equal to 70 degrees. In the previous problem, they have given three measurements. Length of the three sides they have given. So in this problem, they have given only two sides. And another one what they have given here? Angle B. Angle B they have given. See the rough figure first. So AB, triangle ABC. AB I am taking as base 4.8 centimeters and BC 5.4 centimeters, and this is your triangle ABC. Your angle is here 70 degrees. Angle B is 70 degrees. This is a rough figure. We have to construct triangle ABC based on this figure. First what we have to do? We have to draw our baseline. See the steps for construction here. You have to write neatly in the exam also you have to write neatly like this. We have to write all the steps clearly. Here steps for construction. What is the step 1 here? Draw a line segment AB, that is 4.8 centimeters. 4.8 centimeters. Now see, after 4, measure, count the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After 4, you have to count 8 lines and then you have to mark 4.8 centimeters. Okay? After that, what we have to do? They have given one angle and one more measurement here. But how can we draw like this? So first what we have to do? First we have to measure the angle first. Okay. After that we have to draw this 5.4 measurement with the compass. First what we have to do? If they have given one angle, first we have to measure that angle first. So you have to place this a 70 degrees angle at B. What we have to do? What we have learned? So we are measuring angle at B. Angle B we are measuring. So place your protractor, the midpoint of this protractor at B, and exactly you have to coincide this line with this horizontal line. Join with this point and with this B. You have to join this point with B. This point with B. Measure 5.4. See 5. After 5 measure 2. Measure 4. 5.4. After 5. So measure this one. So measure 5.4. Take 5.4 measurement and draw an arc on this line. Okay. Place at B and draw. 5.4 is this one. At this point and this line I am naming it as D, and we don't know C point on this line. Now we have measured 5.4. At where 5.4 arc is cut, we have cut this line now. That is your C. Okay, that is your C. Point C. So this is your point C. Exactly the measurement 5.4 is there. We have taken with compass and we have made this arc. This arc by this arc. That point will become your C. That point is C. Now what we have to do? We have to join this A with C. Join that one. So measure this line and again check this sum of the lower sides. That means sum of the acute sides. Okay. Is greater than the third side or not. That means whether you can form with the measurements, you can form this triangle or not, that you can check. So by that you can understand whatever we have drawn is correct. Okay. So this is the way you have to construct. Whatever the triangle you have to construct now. First you have to draw the baseline. After baseline, you have to check whether they have given sides or whether they have given angles. If they have given angles, draw the angles first. After drawing that angle, draw a line measuring that angle. After that, take the measurement of this of the given measurement and measure with compass, and at the particular point place that compass and draw an arc. The point where this arc cut that line now, that point is your particular C. whatever it may be, C or X, anything. That is your midpoint, that is intersection point will become your point. Okay, you have to join that point with this another side, another point. So this side also we have completed. Now by drawing like this, we have completed this triangle ABC. Okay. Now see this problem. Construct a triangle XYZ in which XY equal to 5.3 centimeters and angle Y equal to 60 degrees and angle Z equal to 75 degrees. This is what they have given. So we have seen with all the measurements, with all the lengths they have given. First problem we have seen, and the next problem with the two lengths they have given and one angle they have given, that we have learned. Now they have given only one measurement, only length of one side they have given, and two angles they have given, angle Y and angle Z they have given. So with the given measurements, we have to construct the triangle XYZ. Now I have drawn the rough figure here. See this one, XYZ. XY they have given 5.3 and this angle Y they have given, angle Z they have given. So if they have given angle this side or this side, maybe we have learned. Now these both sides they have given. We don't know this side. So from the base we have to construct always, right? From the base we have to measure angle or given lengths, or with a compass we have to construct any line or any angle with the baseline only. So now we know these two only. We don't know this one. At I find this angle. How to find this one? We know the sum of the angles, right? Sum of the angles must be equal to 180 degrees. They have given two angles. So place these angles, two angles, we don't know the other one. So this X we don't know. I have written this one. See, this is equal to 180. Now from this we can find out this X now. 180 minus 70 plus 60, 135. If we send this one to other side of this one, it will become minus. So 180 minus 135, you get 45 degrees. Now your angle at X is 45 degrees. Now you can measure, right? You can construct easily, right? Now see, draw a line segment. See the steps for construction. First step, draw a line segment XY equal to 5.3 centimeters. Take scale, measure 5.3 centimeters, 5.3 centimeters, 5.3 centimeters. That is your X, Y. What to do? They have given 160 degrees Y they have given, and we have found this X, that is 45 degrees, right? Measure that one first. Take 45 degrees at X. What is the angle? 45 degrees. Measure that one. Keep the midpoint at X and join this line with this horizontal line of this protractor. Join these two. One point there. Okay. Now what to do? Join these two lines. With the scale, join A and that point. So this is the point, right? Okay, like that you have to extend this line. Now see, so I am naming it as A. Okay. Now again place protractor at Y point and measure 60, angle 60. Now see, again I am placing this protractor here at Y. Now I am measuring 60 degrees. Now add these 2 points. This is the way. Next. So we have pointed here and drawn lines like this. Now what happened? So these two lines intersected at one point, right? So what is that point? That point is your Z, the intersection point. Name this as this ray as B. This ray I have marked as A, X A ray, and this Y B ray. All this YB and XA rays intersected at this point. So this point I am naming it as Z. So Z. This is your Z. Understood? First we have to find out the other angle first. If it is necessary, find out the other angle. If the angle 45 directly they have given instead of this one, directly you can construct. Okay? So at whatever the triangle you have to construct, we need to we need to look at the base. We have to construct the baseline first. Draw the baseline first. After that, if they have given angles, measure the angles using this protractor. Again, at the baseline, construct the angles. Draw the rays. If the rays, draw the rays first. After drawing this intersection point. So where these two rays intersected na, that point is your Z, and this point is your Z. Okay, intersection point will become Z. Okay, this is your Z. Now see, so these rays. So at Y construct angle XY angle XY be 60 degrees, and at X construct angle YXA. YXA, that is 45 degrees. Now, if you want to measure this angle, you can measure at any, by this, you have to get this 75. Yes, exactly. Right? If you extend this line, yes, exactly touch that point. Right? So, like that you have to construct. First, if they have given two angles, find out the third one first. After that, measure the angles. Okay? And the intersection point is your required Z. So this is your triangle XYZ. Understood? Thank you.